Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I'm glad you're here. Today we have an unboxing of sorts here from Dave Warren at Tuya Knife Company. Sent me a couple of knives to check out and share with you guys. And these are pretty cool. Before we get into these, I do want to say real quickly, thank you to the channel members. Thank you all so much. Thank you to anyone who subscribes to the channel. Thank you so much. And thank you to any of you who just find your way in here to check out my knife, my EDC content. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So what we have here is Tuya's Q.A.R. or Queen Anne's Revenge, which is a really cool modern traditional knife, and there's something else in there. These guys are limited to 43 knives per pattern, right? So there's several different choices, so to speak, and this particular one right here is it's got an ice crystal titanium bolster, which is a little bit textured. It's kind of hard to see, but it's kind of a nice textury bolster, so to speak. And this one's got a micarta handle, an M390 blade, very nice walk and talk, extremely sharp belt satin M390 blade. You've got the Tuya logo right there, and the little oar, the Queen Anne's Revenge oar. You've got this really nice spear point blade that is done exceptionally well. If you look at the spring here, there is absolutely no displacement between the spring and the blade. It marries up perfectly. You've got this really nice crisp half stop, and then you've got your close. The blade's perfectly centered. The knife is put together exceptionally well. This one with the micarta handle, if I'm not mistaken, 43 pieces. These are designed by Andi Thiel, is actually who crafted these, if I'm not mistaken. He's responsible for the Tuya Blackbeard, the Tuya Tortuga, and it's just an amazing designer maker. It's non-locking. It is a slip joint, but it has, I would give that about a 6 pull, 5, 5, 5. So it's very substantial, very secure. The card authenticity here does say ice crystal titanium, bowler Uvalome M390, hand rub satin flats, belt satin bevels, designer Andi Thiel. This serial number is number 4 of 43. It may be the other one in the box. This may be one of the others. But then on the back, you've got all the Tuya information, contact information. Take a picture of that if you'd like. But we're going to cut with that in just a second. And then you get this really nice leather slip, of which we have another variation of the Q.A.R. or Queen Anne's Revenge. And this one is a beauty. This one is ice crystal titanium. Look at that. Is that not a beautiful blade? So this one is in ice crystal titanium, anodized, same M390. The profiles of these knives are very similar. We'll get our mic out. I think the titanium might be just a smidge thinner in overall width than the micarta titanium bolster. But this is stunning looking titanium. This crystallized titanium is absolutely gorgeous. This one, if I'm not mistaken, comes in right at $299, where this one comes in right at $220. I have not been to their website yet to check it. I'm actually cutting through think 2 pieces of paper. My bad. Very, very slicey spear point blade. Again, you've got the belt satin flats or belt satin bevel, hand satin flats. Very, very sharp. If I was a better cutter. Do have a nice sharpening choil. Get this out of the way. And this is not a review, guys. I will do a review on this knife because I think it is really, really neat. I will carry probably the micarta in this leather slip and see how it does, see how it performs, see how much I use it. Today I'm carrying, just to give you an idea, in my right pocket, I'm carrying a folder. In my left pocket, I'm carrying a slip joint. I'm not sure. I'll get behind that flashlight. I've also got a flashlight, but I'm carrying my hedgehog. So I always carry a slip joint in my left pocket, and I will be interested to carry this one. I don't think I will carry this guy right here because this guy right here is very, very nice. Clean it up a little bit. It's been out in my mailbox and it's a little chilly here. So I did want to. It's got a pretty tight pull. I mean, I'd say it's a 6, 6, 7, which is what you want. I do not want a floppy slip joint. But this is gorgeous. And this is in the crystallized titanium. There's several different finishes available. But again, there are only, if I'm not mistaken, 43 knives available of each, that'll, depending on which ones are left. So this is the Q.A.R, the Queen Anne's Revenge. Beautiful, beautiful traditional knife. Put together by Dave and Andi Thiel. I guess Andi, the designer, was kind of responsible for the overall lines of the piece. Maybe Dave worked with him to find out exactly what he wanted to offer within, you know, what size, what basic specifications. Because I'm going to say this is an average size, maybe bug out size. This is a J-Cape 3.5. It's probably closer to a 3-inch J-Cape size knife. But again, when we do a review, we will break it down. We will do some comparisons, look at it up against some other slip joints. M390 blade, really nice machine satin bevel, and then you've got some hand satin on the flats. Perfectly put together. I don't like to let these slap shut, even though this one's fine because of the way that it's designed. You can see in here there's a stop pin. Let me reach in my pocket. See that little stop pin right there? That actually catches right here and keeps that blade from hitting and wrapping down at the bottom, but I still, just from habit from some of my older slip joints, usually don't let them slap shut, but you wouldn't have any problem with this one. You do have a nice sharpening choil. Your plunge grind comes down to about right here, but it is a very sharp knife. You've got kind of a nice spay type rolling tip with a really nice swedge coming down, and I'd call that a spear point, but again, you guys might see it as something different. I see it as kind of a spear point, but I see it as a very functional design. I look forward to checking it out, and then I'll get it on its way back to Dave. But guys, appreciate you watching this unboxing. Hope you found it somewhat entertaining, informative, and if you like these knives, go check them out over at tuyaknife.us. I'll put a link in the description. But guys, thank you for watching. If you're so inclined and you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button. Hit the like button if you'd like. And most importantly, look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please look out for each other. Go forward with love in your hearts and choose to bait, not hate. I love you all. Peace.